Hey guys, we're here today to install this ECS diverter valve spacer. Now this is gonna go underneath, make some whoosh whoosh noise when I lift off the throttle, but we're gonna put it in today, and this is actually gonna be an episode of How Hard Could It Be? Because I'm not gonna look up how to do it. I have cheated a little bit though. I put a turbo muffler delete in and I accidentally removed the diverter valve on accident, so I kind of already know how to do it. So it's not gonna be that entertaining, but this is gonna be another episode of How Hard Could It Be? So, should only be a couple volts. Let's get to it. We're gonna dig into this fender liner here to get it out of the way, get up in there. This thing's a pain to put back on. I will tell you that. Should be all of them, all of the way too many. All right, in we go. All right, so the diverter valve is right up in there. I don't know if you can see my waving finger right there. I already took the sensor off. So all you need to do really is get a couple of bolts up it, or a couple of 5mm Allen keys up in there to get it out. And this at least broken free. That's 2 broken free. Ah, there we go. That's them all broken free. There's 3 of them. Not that difficult to get to if you reach over top. And removing the wheel is definitely one of the best ways to go. One bolt. All right, let's get up in there. 2 bolts. 3rd one up top. There it is. Okay. Whew. That is the diverter valve out. And ECS is proud to say that it doesn't matter which orientation you put their spacer. It'll work no matter what. So we're gonna listen to them. Get these all started so it stays. That's down. Back in the hole we go. Ooh. It feels as though it's threaded. Okay, I should have the 2nd one lined up. I think, yeah, that's 2 of them. Gotta find where we dropped that 3rd bolt. There it is. Ta-da! Rescue mission complete. Now time to get you up here. All right. Tighten it down and we're good to go. Well, diverter valve's installed. Let's not waste any time. Let's head out on the road, see how it sounds. I'm excited.